Hey everyone, welcome back to Dilshan Bro channel. If you've been wondering how to start affiliate marketing in 2025 with zero experience, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to join affiliate programs, get your links, create content that actually makes money, and where to post it, all step by step. So grab a notebook because we're diving right in. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is simply a way to earn a commission for recommending other people's products. You join a company's affiliate program, get your unique referral link, share it with others, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of that sale. Think of it like being a digital salesperson. You don't need your own product, customer service, or inventory. All you do is connect people with things they already want. Why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Affiliate marketing works because big companies like Amazon, Target, and Shopify rely on it to get new customers. Instead of paying for expensive ads, they pay creators like you only when a sale is made. That means it's low risk for companies and high opportunity for you. It's been a proven business model for years, and it's not going anywhere. Finding the right affiliate programs. Okay. So how do you find affiliate programs to join? Go to Google and search your niche plus affiliate programs. For example, if you're into camping, type camping affiliate programs. You'll find companies like Yeti, REI, GoPro, or LL Bean, all with free programs you can join. Look for companies that sell products people already buy online, you personally like or use, and you're excited to talk about. Once you find a few, visit their websites and look for affiliate program or become an affiliate. Signing up is free sometimes. Getting your affiliate links. After you're accepted, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. Here's where you can create your links, usually under buttons like Create Link or Get Affiliate Link. Each product you promote will have its own unique tracking link. Copy it, and that's the link you'll share anywhere you post content. When someone clicks and buys, you get paid. You can track your clicks, sales, and commissions right inside your dashboard, creating content that makes sales. Now let's talk about the fun part. Content. The type of content you create will depend on your niche, but here's what always works. Product reviews. Is the Yeti cooler worth it? Top 10 lists. Best camping gear under $50. Tutorials. How to choose the right tent for beginners. If you're posting on Instagram or TikTok, visuals work great. But remember, you can't add clickable links in your captions. Instead, put your affiliate links in your bio or link tree. Passive traffic. Post your content on YouTube or a blog because those can rank on Google and bring visitors for months or even years after posting. Getting traffic that converts. Most beginners focus on social media, but here's the secret. Google and YouTube have way more consistent traffic. For example, thousands of people type best camping kettle into Google every month. If you make a YouTube video or blog post reviewing your top camping kettles and include your affiliate links, those people are already ready to buy. That's why search-based content is so powerful. You're not chasing people. You're searching for what you recommend. How you get paid. Each affiliate program pays differently. Some send PayPal payments monthly. Others use direct deposit or Payoneer. You'll see all your stats in the dashboard. Total clicks, conversions, and earnings. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you get paid automatically. Start small. Pick one niche, one platform, and one product to promote. Be honest. Only promote what you trust or have used yourself. Stay consistent. One post a week is better than 10 posts and then quitting. Track what works. Use your dashboard data to double down on winning content. And that's it. You now know exactly how to start affiliate marketing in 2025. From finding programs to making your first commission. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what niche you're starting in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.